Hey guys, Jonathan LaCour here, and I want to talk a little bit about how labor law interacts with California workers' compensation. So, if you're injured at work and you receive restrictions from your doctor, your employer there is bound by a series of laws known as the Fair Employment and Housing Act. These laws protect employees who have sustained an injury that makes them disabled. Now, what does a disability mean under the law? It's really simple. It just means that your injury limits your major life activities. Going to the bathroom, walking in your kitchen, interacting with your kids, your children, being able to lift things, performing your job duties. These are all major life activities that if they are altered in any way, you would then be qualified as having a disability. Once your employer is aware that you have a disability, they have to engage in a good faith, interactive process to accommodate you, such that it doesn't create an undue burden on the company. Now, what we see in a lot of these cases is that employers will fail to engage in that analysis. What causes a hardship? What doesn't cause a hardship? And a lot of times, HR departments, they'll just do what they think or what they feel they should do without stretching to see what their obligation is. And if they don't accommodate you, and they could, you might have a failure to engage in a good faith interactive process and failure to provide reasonable accommodations claim. Now, if your employer lets you go or materially changes your terms of employment, that could be retaliation under the FEHA for you either reporting a workplace injury or requesting accommodations. Employees First Labor Law is one of the very few firms that can do workers' compensation claims at a very high caliber, in addition to your employment claim on the civil side at a very high caliber. And so the benefit of us is to be able to manage your workers' comp and maintain a watchful eye on your employment civil side as well. Give us a call. We're more than happy to provide any help and assistance that you might need as you're going through this difficult time and journey. Thanks.